guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JAZ.like.the.music, and we're back with another video. But today we're gonna do a quick get ready with me how-to on how I got this look. So I'm just going to show you how I did a quick little natural hair style with my two space buns and some natural looking glam makeup. You know what I'm saying? Because then there's natural, that neutral natural look, but then you just gotta step it up a notch. So if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. That video is coming up right now. Today I'm just going to do some natural makeup and a cute hairstyle just so I can I'm trying to go out and do some Christmas shopping. So we're just going to do something real simple and real cute today. So we're going to start out with a light foundation. I use the Super Stay Full Coverage by Maybelline. But yeah, so what I like to do, I just put a little bit here. So next I'm going to go in on my under eyes with my Pro Touch Full Cover Concealer, and that's in the shade Warm Honey. So I'm going to go ahead to do that just to lighten up the under eyes. I'm going to let that sit, and then next we're going to go and get these brows on fleek with my LA Colors Browy Wowie Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Soft Brown. I'm not a brow connoisseur, as I've said before, so all I do is try to fill them in. So I do one line pretty much. I just kind of follow the bottom brow line, and then I do one on top, and then I just kind of fill them in a bit. And ladies, do not forget to brush these out, because if not, it will look like you just had a marker straight across your face. So fill these bad boys in, okay, sis? Okay, come together. Now, once those brows are filled in, I'm going to take that same concealer that I used on my under eyes to basically clean them up. Again, following the brow line, I'm just going to do one line underneath and then one on top. Now, of course, I'm going to go ahead and fade these out eventually, but I just like to do a smooth, crisp line, and this is going to kind of cover up those unplucked hairs. Like if you don't have freshly manicured brows, which as you saw in the beginning, I did not have, this is how you get them, sis. This is how you get the look. Okay, now it is time to blend. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to go ahead and blend out my under eyes, being sure to kind of fade it into the foundation that I already have on my face, because I don't want it to just look pale right under my eyes. So we're going to blend that out. Then I'm going to get a smaller makeup brush, and then I'm going to do the same to my brows. I'm going to start with the bottom, and then I am going to fade out the top as well. And you'll see it's a little lighter, but we're going to go ahead and fix that in a couple of seconds with some contouring. So in a darker shade, I'm going to get my NYX powder foundation in the color Cinnamon Spice, and I'm going to go ahead and go along my hairline as well as my jawline. If you did not know, ladies, your forehead is not the same color as your cheeks. Fix it, sis. Then I'm going to take my absolute favorite blush by MAC in the shade Peachy just to blush up my cheeks. For the lips, Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Ginger. This lip kit duo is my absolute new favorite. People, hear me and hear me good. If you are looking for a good, I'm all about a good nude lip, but usually the nudes that I get are more pink, and this is more like a burnt orange brown type of nude. This Ginger, it's it. Trust me, hear me, listen. It's beautiful. Get it. It is so lightweight, and it is an all-day type of lipstick. I mean, cheeseburgers and all, this stuff ain't going nowhere. Seriously. Now for the lashes, I got that 46-piece special from the Beauty Supply, $2. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use these tweezers to put them on. I have, first of all, disclaimer, like, I don't do lashes. I literally learned this tweezer technique like 2 weeks ago from my best friend. So please don't come for me in the comments. And if you do, I mean, I really don't care. But anyway, I go ahead and put the glue on it and then just kind of pinch these bad boys together. Y'all see me. But look at me though, lashes reaching the gods. Now on to the luscious locks. So first I'm going to pull 2 strands of hair out in the front just to kind of frame my face. And then I'm going to do a part straight down the middle. And just so you guys know, I'm actually doing this on 2-day-old hair. I actually had my hair in Bantu knots and then let it down to get that Bantu type of curl. And so since it's a few days later, I thought I still have the curl and the volume, so I would do a different style with it. So we're gonna separate that into the 2 sections. And on the first side, we're gonna kind of brush it out a bit, just kind of brush the front part. And then to make everything sleek, I'm going to get my go-to, my Eco Style gel, and I'm going to put some of that up front, really just surrounding the ponytail. But I don't really like to get it into the actual ponytail because if your hair is like mine, it will curl up and then it won't have that same volume. So just the front to kind of create that sleek look. Then I'm gonna get my hair tire and go about 4 times around. And then once I get to that last one, I'm going to pull the bun through, but I'm gonna make sure not to pull it all the way through. And then I'm just gonna stretch it out to give it that sort of volume. Then we're gonna do the same to the other side, again with the Eco Style gel, just on the front parts to get those little flyaways and create that sleek look up front. It doesn't really take much. Then I'm going to brush that back. And same concept, we're gonna go around about 4 or 5 times. And then we are going to pull the bun through, but not all the way through. And then fluff it out. Then with those little strands in the back that I didn't pull through, I'm gonna actually wrap around that ponytail holder. Okay, get fluffy. And then for the front, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on my flat iron. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna work on these edges because no look is complete without sleeked and fleeked edges. So let's get in there. The method, remember, pull it down, swoop it back. Ladies, pull it down, swoop it back. Then I'm gonna get that flat iron and I'm just gonna do a light little twist. Nothing too crazy because you don't want a harsh curl, just something real loose. And that's it. We have it. No need to look twice, sis. That's you. You been the one. Y'all see me. Okay, cute. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any hairstyles you would like me to do, please let me know. But I'm about to go and do some Christmas shopping, so I'll see you guys next time.